Also, on your side, you're changing as a business as well, because I saw that maybe just yesterday or a couple of days ago, you announced the router, which,
Mhm.
I think is a great, I mean, looking forward to it because, again, I've been saying this for now the last few months. If there is like one, if you ask me, I say, if you ask me, okay, what is the next Anthropic in the next like 2 years? I say it's a router for enterprise AI, and I hope that you guys at Ramp, you're really going in that direction, because I think it's a huge problem that we have at the moment.
Well, I think it's indicative of the fact that the model companies, particularly the American model companies, have not been responsive to business demand for cheaper models. And also, there is a business case to be model agnostic. I mean, so like, let's talk about the cost aspect first, right? So the cost, I think very clearly there's a business case to be model agnostic. You are, if you're locked in with OpenAI's models or Anthropic's models, they're incentivized to get you to use as many tokens as possible, and those competitive effects is what keeps prices down. Now, I do normally caveat this by saying that when people talk about the rise of Chinese models, they're not as highly adopted as you might think. Even on ramp data, in terms of ramp businesses, which already skew a little bit tech forward, only about 10%, maybe less, of businesses spending on AI are using these model inference platforms at all, the kinds of platforms that give you access to open source models or Chinese models at scale. Now, there are probably some companies that are, self-hosting the Chinese models, a very small proportion of companies transacting directly with them. But even in